Chef Janine Sang is located in Melbourne, Australia. We went up a flight of steps to her apartment. When you enter a small but efficient kitchen, she had a bottle of wine ready. There was a courtyard where she grew her herbs on the balcony. She started with a cutting board with fresh bread, crackers, and pâté. Earlier that day, we went shopping at Queen Victoria Market. It's the largest market in the Southern Hemisphere. First, we stopped at the bakery for bread. He showed us what would go best with our appetizers. Next, the deli for the pâté. We tried the duck and orange. Then she added the cheese to the board. We stopped at the cheese store, and Chef Janine explained what we were doing, and he recommended 3 cheeses: a camembert, brie, and blue cheese. She added dried apricots and nuts to the board. We tried the pâté. It was fantastic. We sat, talked, ate, and drank wine. Next, a local red wine. It was great. Next, she plated oysters. We got these at the seafood part of the market. We bought 3 types of fresh local oysters: Sydney Rock, Coffin Bay, and Tassie oysters. They look fantastic. Serve with just a squeeze of lemon. They all have their own distinct taste and flavor, depending on how deep they are and their location. I like them all. Nancy just kept eating. Oysters are one of her favorites. Now that's the way to start a meal. Next, Chef Janine is starting our lunch. The first thing is the poaching liquid for the salmon. Starting with spring onions. We found some at the market. She put them in water. The Chinese wine, soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, star anise, and Nord segments we got from the market. We let that simmer. When we were at the market, we found sushi-grade salmon. Chef Janine cut the salmon into quarters. Then she removed the skin. If you notice, no salmon left on the skin. She has some great knife skills. She removed the few bones left in the fillets. Next, the veggies. She trimmed and split the broccoli and did the same with the choy. We also got the greens at the market. Chef Janine picked out the best bunches. She cooked the broccoli stems first. You can also blanch them, but sautéing gives it more flavor. Then she adds the choy. After it was sautéed, she then added the broccoli heads. Time to boil the green tea noodles. A quick stir. You want them al dente. A little taste. Perfect. Time to plate. First, the green tea noodles. Spinning the plate is a new twist. Next, the sautéed greens. Plated around the green tea noodles. A sprinkle of edamames. Then the poached salmon on top. Added a little sauce for spice and taste. Dinner was served. It was fantastic. What an eating adventure. We gave her 5 stars. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.